Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Falooda is a wonderfully refreshing, classic dessert, often enjoyed across South Asia. If you've ever wanted to try making it at home, using a pre-made Falooda mix is by far the easiest way to go. These convenient mixes typically include everything you need, like sweet vermicelli, fragrant basil seeds, and a delicious flavor base, all in one packet, making your dessert journey super straightforward. To start, you'll mainly need your Falooda mix and about 1 liter of full-fat milk for the best creamy texture. While most mixes are pre-sweetened, feel free to add a little extra sugar if you prefer it sweeter. You might also want some chilled water for soaking the basil seeds separately if they're not already mixed in, and of course, plenty of ice for serving later. Okay, let's get cooking. First, pour your milk into a sturdy pot and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. As soon as it starts bubbling, slowly pour in the entire Falooda mix, making sure to stir constantly to prevent any lumps. Now, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring often. You'll know it's ready when the vermicelli is soft and the mixture begins to thicken a bit. Once your Falooda mix has finished cooking, take the pot off the heat and allow it to cool down completely to room temperature. This is a crucial step for the best results. After it's cooled, pour the mixture into a suitable serving pitcher or a large bowl. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill it for at least 2 to 3 hours. This chilling time helps the Falooda thicken up beautifully, giving it that wonderfully refreshing texture. Now for the best part, serving. Spoon your well-chilled Falooda into tall, elegant glasses. This is where you can truly make it your own. Top it generously with a scoop of your favorite ice cream, maybe some fresh fruit like mango or strawberries, and a drizzle of fragrant rose syrup. For an extra touch, add some chopped nuts or a sprinkle of shredded coconut. Enjoy your delightful homemade Falooda. It's a wonderful dessert for any time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.